Hey, Garrett Barry here. In this video, what I want to do is share with you my three biggest breakthroughs that I personally had that took me from zero to generating over six figures with affiliate marketing. Now, if you're someone that's maybe brand new to affiliate marketing, you haven't made a single dollar online, or maybe you've struggled in the past, you're not making consistent income, I want to share with you my three biggest breakthroughs so you can apply these to your own life, your own business, and start to generate a lot more money. These three breakthroughs allowed me to, on my journey, shortcut my results and start to generate some pretty amazing income. So the very first thing you want to understand is if you're someone that is looking to make money with affiliate marketing, we need to generate traffic. Right? If you're promoting something online, you have to get traffic or visitors to actually see your sales page or the website that is going to sell that person on buying. That's how we actually make money with affiliate marketing. So my very first breakthrough was, rather than going out there and promoting on a ton of different websites, you want to pick in the beginning just one main traffic source, one main platform. Now, I want to share a very quick story. When I first got started online, I was going out there and I was promoting on Facebook, I was promoting on Instagram, I was promoting on YouTube, Twitter, I did Pinterest. And the problem was I was working hours upon hours a day with very little results. See, if you're trying to spread your focus and your time and your effort into a ton of different places, you're going to struggle because you're not going to be able to really learn what's working with any one of the platforms. What you want to realize is that the fortune is really in picking one main platform, one main traffic source, mastering that before you even think about spreading out. So for me, I started to think about what platform am I on the most, right? People ask me all the time, Garrett, what is the best platform to start with? What's the best traffic source? Like it's some secret traffic. And that's the wrong question. The right question is to ask yourself, what platform, like social media platform, are you on the most? Which one are you naturally on? Some people say, hey, I'm on Facebook. I love looking at news feeds and I love posting on Facebook updates. Well, start with Facebook. Start learning how to generate traffic, how to generate targeted visitors from Facebook to a sales page. Okay, maybe it's Instagram. Maybe you're scrolling and you're constantly looking at Instagram stories and using hashtags and things like that. Start with Instagram, okay? Because we want to do the path of least resistance. Affiliate marketing has to do with being consistent. It's not hard work and it's not a lot of work when you use the right strategies, but it has to do with being consistent. And the path of least resistance is choosing the platform that you're already consistent with. For me, it was YouTube. I would always watch YouTube videos. I would be, watching different podcasts on YouTube, different funny videos, stand-up comedy. So I'm like, okay, I'm already on YouTube all day. Why don't I just create videos? Okay, so that was my path of least resistance. And I started to learn how to get, consistent traffic and leads from YouTube on a daily basis. So that was my first breakthrough. Rather than spreading yourself, rather than killing yourself and listening to one guru say Facebook one day and then the next, Twitter, really they're all great, but pick one that you can stick with for at least 30 days to start to generate consistent results. Now, the second breakthrough that I had was, you have to ask yourself, how do I learn? Okay, let's say I pick Facebook to generate traffic. How do I actually learn the right strategies to generate traffic from Facebook? Well, this comes down to my second major breakthrough. What you want to do is you want to look at who are the top people that are promoting that affiliate product, okay? And often you can find this information out if the affiliate program has a leaderboard, okay, of the top affiliate marketers in that program. And what you can actually do is you can take those people's names and start to research those people. See if they have a website. Oftentimes they have a blog or a website that you can go to. You can put your email into their capture page, okay? And you can start to get their emails. Now you're studying what emails they're sending. You can also start to look, do they have a Facebook profile? Are they posting on Facebook? A lot of times what I did in the beginning when I was first learning how to do affiliate marketing was I just modeled other people. And that's the main breakthrough. You want to model, right? Stop trying to reinvent the wheels. Stop trying to go out there and try to figure out things for yourself. You want to just look at what other successful people are doing and do the same thing. Now, You don't want to just, copy. You don't want to just copy and paste things or just swipe it completely, but you want to take massive inspiration from other people because they already have the blueprint, right? They already have the working strategy that you can just deploy for yourself and start to create some pretty darn amazing results. So again, what I did in the beginning was I went to my affiliate program that I was promoting. I looked at the leaderboard. I started researching those people and I started to model. How often are they posting? What kinds of things are they posting? What are they saying in the posts? Are they using more images or more videos? You want to take like a notepad and pen and really study what these people are doing because these people have already laid the groundwork. Okay, so again, you don't want to reinvent the wheel. You want to look at other people that are successful and just model what they're doing. That was the second major breakthrough that took me from struggling, virtually, failing completely with affiliate marketing to now myself being on the leaderboard in many different companies, okay? So very powerful. And the last breakthrough that I personally had that I want to share with you is rather than going out there and promoting just any random product, you want to promote a product that is high ticket, okay? The reason is, and first off, if you don't know what high ticket is, what a high ticket product is a product that will pay you more per commission. So around $250 or higher per commission. This is a higher ticket product. Now in the beginning, again, to share a story with you, I was promoting a product in a company called Motor Club of America. Now, if you followed me for many years, then you'll actually know me from back then. But basically, I was promoting a product that paid me $80 per commission, okay? So this seems, if you don't know any better, this seems good. And, it was a good, valuable product that people liked. And I was going out there and I started to, using the first couple breakthroughs, started getting consistent sales, okay? 1 or 2 a day. But the problem was, even if I made 2 sales in a day, I was only earning $160 a day, which if our goal is, $10,000 a month, let's say, or 6 figures in a year, that's not gonna get you there, okay? That's really not gonna be able to allow you enough money to hit that goal. So what I finally realized over many years of trial and error was the fastest way to hit 6 figures with affiliate marketing is to promote a product that pays you $1,000, $2,000 per commission. Now you may think when you hear that, and a lot of people did, I thought this in the beginning, that it's actually difficult and harder to promote and make sales with a higher priced product than a lower priced product. But it's actually the same work. The issue isn't how difficult, the issue is what type of person are you attracting, what traffic quality are you generating on the platform that you choose. Okay, so it really just comes down to targeting a different quality person, a person that has more money, that's more serious. So once I started to change that and I started promoting products that paid me up to $2,000 per commission, I was able to quickly and easily generate $10,000 in a month. If I promote a product that pays me $2,000 per commission, I only need 5 sales per month to hit that goal, okay, which is very, very easy. It's only about 1 a week, okay? So you wanna understand that if you're promoting something, even if you go to a site like ClickBank or JVZoo, you can often find some higher priced products that are selling well, okay? And you wanna start to promote those. Now you don't have to, if you're promoting more than one product, you don't have to do all high ticket. One of the strategies that I share on my channel, along with tons of other affiliate marketing strategies, is you can actually promote a lower priced product first, and then once people buy, you can actually sell them and upsell them a higher priced product. But you wanna actually definitely have that option. So if someone does have that money to invest higher, you're not missing out and you're not trying to hit 6 figures making $50 per commission, okay? So these are my 3 breakthroughs, my friend. I really hope this helps you. Again, if you're someone that's just starting out with affiliate marketing or you've struggled, use these breakthroughs. I wish I would have known these when I first started, and they're really gonna help you dramatically. If you liked this video, be sure to check out my channel, okay? Subscribe, because I'm constantly posting affiliate marketing strategies and breakdowns so you can get the most results as fast as possible. And last but not least, if you want access to a free training revealing my #1 recommended affiliate program to earn high ticket commissions, as well as to learn the exact strategies that are working today, go to the first link below and check that out. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.